ng droga, yung mga supply ng droga sapagkat hindi kayo dapat mapigilan niya sa bagay na yan.
Yes, Your Honor. Ang
And
tanong
you
ko
will
po,
have our support. Thank you very much.
ang tanong ko po, Your Honor, is paano po namin hulihin yung drug lord na nahuli na? Paano
Ano
namin
yun?
ikukulong yung drug lord na nakakulong na po, Your Honor?
Aba, eh,
Napakahirap
thank
na
you.
tanong,
You
Your Honor.
asking me? I know how to deal with it.
Thank you. You're done, Senator.
Hindi,
Gordon.
I'm just expressing my frustration, Your Honor.
Maraming-
Bakit ito mga tao, mga drug lord na nakakulong na, sila pa rin nagko-control sa drug trade ng
I got a
bansa?
call. I got a call from the wife of the judge that was killed and murdered. I'm not even finished yet. Sa totoo lang, how many of these perpetrators, pati yung lawyer noon pinatay? Let me ask you a question. How many are perpetrated? Sinasabi natin, unexplained killings. Let me ask the Commission on Human Rights. Nadagdagan eh. Ilan ba ang napatay na mga riding in tandem dito sa bansa natin? How come I don't hear any noise? That has been going on for the last 10 years. People riding in tandem, shooting people down, and we just keep quiet. That's why we are proclaimed as the murder capital for journalists in this world, in this country, in the whole world. We keep quiet, but because we have a noisy president right now, and I don't condone any word that he says, because ayokong gagayain ng bata, yung papatayin kita. Doon lang siya pumapalpak sa akin. Pero hindi siya palpak. Pag sinabi niya, itong mga pulis na ito, nilabas natin, ito yan. At least may ginagawa. Pero yung wala tayong ginagawa, yung mga pinapatay, lumalabas sa preso, pinapatay ang tao, tapos ibabalik sa preso. Wala tayong ginagawa. Doon sa mga nakamotorsiklo, binabaril ang tao, wala tayong ginagawa. So the silence is deafening. And we must all work together as a nation.
Maraming
You don't have to
salamat po.
answer. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Senator Gordon. Very good points.